Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today I am in my office. I just got off of work and I was really happy because when I checked the mail I had a little extra thing in there I wasn't expecting today. So this is the Erin Condren Fall Seasonal Surprise Box that I purchased, and I'm excited to dive in and share it with you. I haven't peeked, so stay tuned so we can open it together, and welcome to my office. As I mentioned, I haven't peeked, so I don't know what's in the box, other than there were a couple of options when I ordered that you could select the size for a cover, and I can't remember what the other one is, so we'll see when we get into it. So we have this beautiful fall themed box. I love the leaves and the ombre effect in the colorway, so that's always a pretty little way to start. And then we open it up and it says, when you find balance, you find peace, which is beautiful. I'm a little sad that mine didn't quite make it through the shipping process without getting a little damage. So it's still a beautiful little image on the inside of the box. Here we have a little welcome card. So it says, when you find balance, you find peace. It's the same quote that's on the inside of the box. Okay, and this tells us what is in the box. So let's dive in. And I did see a note about this item, I believe the ombre bag. They were having some trouble with quality control on that, so I'm not sure which one I got, but I think they're shipping out corrected ones to all of the subscribers that got the fall box. All right, so we have that pretty gold paper, and here we go. And I'm actually really excited to have this new set of covers in the A5 size. I actually purchased an A5 notebook on a warehouse sale, I think a year ago, and I've been using that notebook at my job. It's just kind of a nice little notebook to carry around. This A5 size is real portable and easy to work with. So I was excited to see that I could choose a cover in that size. So I'll be able to switch this out. I'm really happy to have a little fall theme now to my notebook. Oh, and it looks like the choice you could choose was besides the size, you could also choose the theme for the design. So you could have chosen the woodland theme or the ombre leaves, and I chose the ombre leaves. So we have that. Let's see, next this is a sticky notepad with metallic daily self-care and to-do list. So this is pretty, and looks like the cover was valued at $8. This little sticky notepad set, get that open. Okay. Oh, I see. So it's just one little page, and at the top it has your today's 5 top to-dos and then today's self-care, and that's really pretty how it has the gold foil and the leaf theme. So that's kind of fun to add into my planner and my daily pages for this time of year. And this little notepad is valued at $8 as well. Next we have the gold metal asterisk binder clip duo. So these are kind of fun. It looks like the actual clamp part is the same, but then the handle has the little gold metal asterisk. And these are $7.50. And this is my first time getting an Erin Condren seasonal box. I've looked at them for many years, and what got me to go ahead and order this time around was the fact that I could choose the cover in the size that would work for the notebook I was interested in. So then it looks like we have Mid-Century Circles Fine Tip Pen Duo, and that's that pretty colorway. There's a teal and sort of that olivey green, and this is valued at $16.50, and looks like the ink is actually matching. So it looks like the ink matches the pen. Oh, I take that back. So it's a black ink. It just has the barrel that is a pretty design and color. And that's a nice fine tip gel pen. So I may end up using those. I'm kind of hooked on my friction pens. I love the fact that I can erase, but I do need some more fine tip pens. I'm kind of low on those. So it's nice to have something else I can use. Let's see, here's a pretty little sticker sheet. So this is valued at $4.50, and it has that beautiful gold foil. There's the woodland critters and the leaves sprinkled throughout, and a couple of different sizes and shapes, so that'll be fun. I don't tend to use a whole lot of the stickers in these sizes. I'll probably use the more decorative ones if anything, but it's fun to have something new to throw into my planner for this time of year. And then it looks like the final item is, let's see if I can get this open. I love the box. This is such a pretty little design on the outside. Okay, so this is a mug, and it's a Golden Blush Changes Beautiful ceramic mug, and I think this is just gorgeous. I'm really excited to have a new mug like this. I have a lot of Jordan Essentials mugs, but it's kind of fun to have something other than that, and I like the message on there, and of course it's a beautiful mug to have, so that'll be really pretty. And then I don't think I have, yes, so I did not get the final item, which is the raspberry. I'll show you this. Oops, I forgot to tell you, the mug is valued at $16. And what I did not get is the raspberry ombre 3-pocket zipper pouch. So that will be shipped out separately. And I may just do a quick little video when that comes in, or I might pop over on Instagram and just share it with you there. So there we have everything that came in the Erin Condren Fall Seasonal Surprise Box for 2022. I'm excited that I chose to get this one. I feel like I will definitely be able to use everything that came in the box. And it's always nice to get a box like this where you don't know what's coming and be able to feel like you made a good investment and you're going to use everything up well. So I'm excited to kind of dive into some of my planners, put this new cover on my notebook, and have fun playing with the pens, and of course enjoying some morning coffee out of my pretty new mug. So thanks for joining me today. I hope that was fun for you to see something a little different. I haven't done the seasonal surprise box before from Erin Condren, so it was kind of a fun thing for me to try. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment. I'll put everything linked in the description box below. And don't forget to stay tuned. I should be back for another Tiny Tidy Tuesday video coming up soon. Other than that, thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.